Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from 1xBet. First thing I want you to do is log into your 1xBet account, and here you can see our balance. And you can also just click on your profile icon right here and you'll see your bonus points, your amount that you have in whatever currency you deposited it in. And then here you'll see withdraw funds. I want you to click on this, and then here you will see the account you're withdrawing from. You'll see all the withdrawal methods, whether it's mobile payments or bank transfer. Now this one depends on the country you are in. Let's say you want to withdraw using your mobile money. And in this case, we'll use M-Pesa. We'll click on this one. And then all you need to do is enter the amount you want to withdraw right here. And the minimum right now is 106 Kenyan shillings. And the maximum is 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Let's say you want to withdraw 500. Just go ahead and type that one in. And then after that, you will actually see right here your phone number. You'll see your email. You can go ahead and type that in, and you'll see your first and last name. Once you go ahead and put your email, click on confirm, it'll go ahead and initiate a withdrawal from your account. Otherwise, really that easy. And you'll see it under withdrawal requests. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.